paper is still good. Because when Barry's puppy, he always eat every day raw egg. He like raw egg when he's small. But when he's adult right now, he's 4 years old, he's turning 5, he like boiled egg now. He don't like raw egg anymore, he like boiled egg. Diba? He like boiled egg. Especially the good egg, the organic fresh egg. He can eat like 6 or 8 pieces of egg. When I have egg, I eat my egg. He got already 3. And then when I eat my egg, this egg is done. He gonna come with me and he gonna ask the half of my egg. And then I eat, he gonna eat the half. Right ba? He do that.